So we're playing some bait. Oh, I just basically just started playing this game. I played it ages ago, but I just stopped playing it because I think it got a bit boring. But I didn't do challenges, and now I'm doing challenges. Give me one sec. Where is it? What's happening with my controller here? Okay, what forgot here? Sparkling trout. That is quite big. That is a lot. That is quite a lot. New record. Oh, for that fish. Yeah, my biggest fish, what I've caught, is probably that, or it's that, yeah. But I want to catch that. It's mental. I'll not catch another one of them cow things. Right. I don't do the real thing, I don't do it myself, I just hold the trigger. It's so much easier. And if you want to learn how to do that, it's that button there, and then that one. Sparkling trout, 300. I'm fine with it. Yep. Yeet. Bye bye, fishy. Meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow. I think this game is free as well, so if you want to get it, it's caught. I'll show you the name in a minute. Gold crackerfish, that is a lot. Right. The name is bait, spelled like that. It's free as well, so. Give me it. Sparkling trout. Yeah, I'm gonna go to the store now and see how much I get at the shop. Did I get anything? I think it said I've got 5,000. Where does it tell you? 7. Okay. Who's there?
Hey, get back to fishing.
Shut up. 5,000. That is a lot. I want that. That is bad boy. 15,000. Oh. Stuff on Earth equipped at that real. What else is there? No. Bait shop, let's go see what that is. I think I already got that one. This one. Have I not? Yeah, I've got it. I do that. Crate room, private. Meow 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 meow. Yep, that's me. That's me. This is where I got the mammoth whale from. That big fish. Big boy. I think when Jordan comes back in a bit, we might do another video. I've done 3 videos on my own, but he might do one in a bit. Hopefully it does. First, I'll probably do like, I don't know. Don't think we'll do a grill attack. Look at this big boy. This might be the biggest fish we've got today. There's no way. It's not. Oh, this don't give you money. Can't do this. We need money. We need money, 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 money. I want to get that. I don't know what that is. Would that be? Imagine it, you'd do it in a volcano. Have we done the challenge?
I'm out of the office this week. Please call back later. I'm out of the office.
Swear down there, you don't want to run coffees. Fish. Biggest one I think we got today is 10.11. What is this? Oh yeah, I've got some. Good. It's not bad. Yep. I do it right close because there's that big fish there. On this one there, where you can just get them so much easier. Not the dirty one. Put it on top of it. No, not the small one. Yes, go on, bite. Yes, come on, I need to bite. Carry it out, go on. Yes. We've got it. This is big one. Oh, it's not bigger than the one that we got earlier. Talk to Aramanda. Who's that? Who's that Darama? I think it's her.
Thanks for the fish. Take some of my premium bait as a reward. It's right here on my counter.
Are you mad?
Hi, it's
I paid
all
for
the
that.
little... Great.
Catch one pinner bird. Yeah, have I already got that? What's it called? Pinstream bird. Pinstream. I don't think I have. No. Let's go out there. Let's see what's happening. Why did I get it first try? I didn't have to see it. I just saw it. Oh wait, this is that cow. Oh no, yeah, that's cow. So we just got about a minute ago, lads. Come on. Oh, come on. Didn't beat us. It didn't beat that other one. Nearly catched it again. Wait, can we do it in that light behind us? No, probably not. Let's try to find a big one there. Come on. Why is he swimming away? Oh wait. Have we already got this one? I think we might already have this one.